The Panana inflatable stand-up paddleboard boasts a premium military-grade construction, offering exceptional rigidity and resistance to punctures, making it ideal for various water adventures. Designed with performance in mind, this paddleboard features a fast-inflating valve and a triple fin system, which enhance agility and stability on the water. Its generous length, stable width, and supportive thickness ensure a smooth glide and ample buoyancy, accommodating riders of all skill levels up to 350 pounds. This versatile paddleboard is perfect for a range of activities including yoga, touring, racing, and surfing, making it a great choice for both beginners and advanced users. The complete inflatable package includes everything you need, from a collapsible paddle to a repair kit, ensuring a convenient and comprehensive experience. A double-action hand pump and compact carry bag make the board easy to inflate, deflate, and transport, providing ultimate portability for your paddleboarding adventures.